Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So the seed orders are starting to pour in, and I've already done some videos on them. This one here is an order from Park Seed. Now, I am not affiliated with Park Seed in any way, shape, or form. I do not work for Park Seed. They're just a company where if they have what I'm looking for, I buy from them. So I went with some old favorites, and I tried out a new variety here. So we're going to go through this order here for what I got. So last year I grew the Marigold Hybrid Big Duck Gold, and I really liked that one. Had beautiful big flowers on it, and I did do a review of this one here on my channel, which you can check that out, and you'll be able to see this one blooming. And then I found that they got the orange seeds in, so I decided to try the orange ones this year. And I also went with the Marigold Parks Whopper Yellow and the orange. These two here are the largest blooming marigolds that I have ever seen. They have humongous blooms on them. And I did do a video review on my channel of these right here. And when I seen how big they were, I just decided to go ahead and get them again. And I'm really impressed with how well they bloomed and how well they grew. So you can definitely use these varieties here for cut flower production, which is what I used them for, and they did very well for me. So definitely a keeper. I wish these actually came in larger packs, but unfortunately they don't. So it's something that I have to go back and, I buy them. This one here, we went with the Tomato Improved Hybrid Parks Whopper. This here is one of our favorite tomato varieties to grow. So I wanted to make sure I had seeds of this one here. Really good for growing in Pennsylvania, and it does seem to tolerate our weather conditions very well. And I went with a Celosia Mix Bright Sparks. Now this one here is a shorter variety Celosia, and I love the color selection from it. And I'm still looking for a variety to replace the Fresh Look Celosia, because like I said, I can't find the seeds for that one anymore. They've been like out of stock for 2 years now. So what I don't want to happen is I don't want to run out of all of my other seeds without having a replacement. So I went ahead and decided to try this one here. So this is going to be a new Celosia variety that I'm going to be adding to trial out this year. So this here is my last seed order that I plan on. Okay, wait, there is one more thing that I am waiting for it to come in stock. It's supposed to come in stock in February from a different company, and I do plan on getting that. It's a different color straw flower that I don't have, so I thought this was the last one, but there's going to be probably like one more, and they're going to be bringing new things out, so it's hard to say what all I'll wind up trying next year for the garden. But I just wanted to share these new seeds with you and some old ones that I really like, so I decided to keep them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!